On 23rd April 2021, the Dorbar Shnong Umkaliar, Shillong had organized a vaccination drive for the residents of the area. A makeshift vaccination center had been erected where medical officers of the Umkaliar Urban Primary Health Center, along with the members of the Dorbar Shnong, had assisted members of the public who had gathered to get themselves vaccinated against the novel coronavirus. Speaking to the media, the secretary of the Dorbar Shnong Umkaliar, Sambor Langdingdo, said that the locality is all out to work together with the state government to help in achieving the 80% target of vaccinated members of the public aged 45 years and above. Dingdo also requested the government to not call for a second lockdown as people had economically suffered a lot during that of 2020.
Tingidan mata ni po COVID-19 vaccination center. Nomor ba ini kung kinupunya Shnong klai ba kawan ka direction na government bangin dan is not tilang ba government hawi day ba kanika vaccination. Te nakaliang jongi kung ki nupunya Shnong ni persang ka la kadyahi ban is not tilang hi ba kasokar. Nomor ba ni suthu iba ka benchmark ba government ka buo namanta ban achieve yakni COVID vaccination ka day 80%. Te kumbang ii haki lak pathay kubor ngi haki social media hiba government ka azang ban permi yakta ka azang ya trend song ta ka second lockdown. Te kum kinong song ni kwa ban avoid ma yakta ka second lockdown. Te bangi suthu ila da ka jingi mi renti jang barok hay kinong song hi ban ay yakni ka vaccination. Te lada target ni kwa ban achieve baik up to 80%. Ni kwa ban turu kanya ka sarkar balada aspa ka record jang kila da kalau Allah siya ban achieve to 80% vaccination kabay day bakni ka first batch ni 45 plus tingi kentu hidup ba dalong kabala ba ka sarkar kanum go ahead ba to ka second lockdown ni namar kumbang ila ayamat musim senam ni barokhat ni dan napdang ka kya kasyon te kahiran not kayo ka hat barokhat te sakaway na kalyang jong ngahi may dishmat ngi gibay yabu dukan ni smatu iba dadangi khang ni play ka business jong ru iki nong trailer jong tingi habi ban siyo ba ya ka tulap jong ki nomor bapli kiru kisanya itang ngi